Here is how you can use ChatGPT to expand on one piece of content in 10 different ways. For this, we are just going to use a simple blog post. The first prompt that we are going to give ChatGPT is act as an on-page SEO specialist and create a meta title and meta description from the following content. Now, what we are doing is we are giving ChatGPT some context and asking it to act as an SEO specialist so it knows what type of content to create. Then all we are going to do is we are going to copy all the text from the blog post and then paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. So in just a few seconds, ChatGPT gave us our meta title and our meta description. The next thing we want to do is we want to ask ChatGPT, from the same content, give me H1, H2, H3 title tags. Now remember, it is still acting as an SEO specialist, and then we are going to hit enter. Now, as you can see, it has given me one H1, which is correct, and it has given me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 H2s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 H3s. So this is exactly what we are looking for. Now, the third prompt we want to give it is create an SEO focused FAQ from the content. And then we're going to hit enter. Now we got an SEO focused FAQ section for our content. Now the fourth prompt that we want to give ChatGPT is create an infographic in table format for the same content. Now here again, it has given us an infographic in table format, and all we need to do is just copy this and paste it into our blog post. Now the fifth prompt we want to give it is now act as an email marketing specialist and create an email promoting this content. Now we're shifting the focus from an SEO specialist to now an email marketing specialist, and then we hit enter. Now in a few seconds, it has given us a complete email. Now we can use this email to send out to our email list. Number 6, now we are going to ask it to now act as a social media specialist and give me 10 Instagram captions for this content. So now we're shifting the focus again from an email marketing specialist to a social media specialist, and let's hit enter. Here again, in a few seconds, it has given us our 10 Instagram captions. Now it has given us the captions with emojis as well, but one thing it is missing is hashtags. So now I'm going to ask it to include hashtags. So this is much better as it has included the hashtags as well. Now number 7, I'm going to ask it to give me 10 Facebook posts from the same content. Now we have our 10 Facebook posts as well, and they also include hashtags. Now for number 8, I'm going to ask it to give me 10 Twitter posts from the same content. And here are my Twitter posts with hashtags as well. Now number 9, I'm going to ask it to give me 10 LinkedIn posts for the same content. I could have just asked it for 10 social media posts, but remember, each platform is different. So by specifying that this content is for LinkedIn, this content is for Twitter, this content is for Facebook, etc., then ChatGPT is creating content for the relevant platform. And now for number 10, I'm going to ask it to give me a carousel post from the same article. Now, carousels work really well on LinkedIn and Instagram. Now, it has given me 8 slides that I can use in the carousel based on this one article. So in a matter of minutes, we managed to expand one piece of content in 10 different ways. Remember, you will have to fact check all the content that the AI has generated, and also edit it if you like to give it your own spin. So the possibilities are endless, and this real life example shows how AI can change digital marketing forever. Those that adopt it will succeed, and those that don't will pretty soon be left behind. My name is Mohammed Asmal, and I am an AI-powered digital marketer. Sign up to my newsletter. I create content on marketing and AI. I will leave a link in the description.